This is a bone taps. The tap is used to pre-penetrate the bone. This instrument is ideal for creating an insertion channel. As shown in the picture, two product adaptations made of spliced combination, connected by black handle. The internal thread matches it. Sharp geometric shapes. 4-axis circumferential laser line. This long hexagonal design is very special. We are committed to providing customers with customized processing services and processing high quality and high standard precision products.